Hi guys, welcome back to K2 Blogging. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can allow free shipping on order above a certain amount. Let's suppose you want to allow free shipping on order above 1000 rupees, and if someone order below that, you can charge a flat fees for shipping. So let's check how we can do that. So for this, let me go to the Woocommerce shop page first, and let me add this product to cart. Click on view cart. Now you can see we have 5 products of this, so let me reduce that to one product. Now we have added a product worth of 400. Now I can add a flat shipping fees for this order, and if they increase the cart value to 1000, then the shipping will be removed and free shipping will be applied. So for this, we need to go to our WooCommerce settings, and here click on shipping. Now you can select your shipping zone. So we have rest of the world. So let me click on add shipping zone. Let me set the zone name to India, and let me type India here. All right, now you can add shipping methods. Now we have a free shipping. Click on continue, and here we can set a requirement like a minimum order amount or a valid free shipping coupon. Let me select this option, a minimum order amount or coupon, and let's set the minimum order amount to 1000, and you can also apply this minimum order rule before coupon discount as well. Let's click on create and save. Now let's click on add shipping method, and we can add a flat rate as well. Let's click on continue, and let's add a flat shipping fee of 30 rupees, and you can set the tax status to taxable or none. Let's click on create. Now let's go to checkout, and let me refresh, and as you can see we have a flat rate of 30 rupees added for shipment. And if I increase the order value, so let's go to cart, and let's increase the order value to above 1000, and as you can see free shipping is now enabled. Let's click on proceed to checkout. Now you will enable free shipping on order above 1000, and if the order goes below 1000, then they have to pay a flat rate of 30 rupees. So this is how you can charge a flat shipping fees from your customer and allow free shipping on order above a certain amount in your WooCommerce store. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.